How to hide mutual friend on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Here, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, scroll down and you will see the option for how people find and contact you under the Audience and Visibility tab. Tap on that and then under the Your Friends tab, you will see the option for who can see your friends list. Tap on that and make sure to select the Only Me option you see there. By default, it is set to Public or Friends. Now tap on the Save button, and with this, it will not directly hide your mutual friends, but no one will be able to see your friends now. So this is how you can hide mutual friend on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.